After its early debut in Italy and Poland, the Huawei P20 Lite is no longer a big surprise. Still, let's have a first look at the new mid-range from the Huawei P20 series. So, first impressions. It looks like the P20 and you could even compare it to the iPhone X. The 5.8-inch 18.7:9 format display with 2244 by 1080 pixels takes up most of the front of the phone, and at the top there is the notch. Under the hood, this is where it becomes less exciting than the two other P20 flagships. The Kirin 659 is definitely a mid-range SoC, although 4GB of RAM and 64GB of flash memory are still quite decent. However, the 3000 mAh battery only allows quick charge with a maximum of 2 A. On the back, the Huawei P20 Lite also has a dual camera setup. The main camera has a resolution of 16 megapixels, the second has only 2 megapixels and helps with bokeh effects. And the front-facing camera also has a resolution of 16 megapixels. The device comes with Android 8.0 and Emotion UI 8.0.1. Finally, Huawei will only use stereo speakers in the P20 Pro, so here you can only find a mono speaker. If you liked this video, please also check out our hands-on videos of the Huawei P20 and the P20 Pro, the more advanced siblings of the Huawei P20 Lite. And if you enjoyed this video, please also give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to activate the little bell to never ever miss another AndroidPIT video again. And please also check out all the articles and hands-ons about the new Huawei P20 series on AndroidPIT.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.